If you thought that the air fryer craze is over, well, for us, it's not. Because right now we have the Cherry 8-in-1 air fryer oven that comes with 8 cooking functions for different types of cooking, namely roast, pizza, cookies, warm, bake, broil, air fry, and toast. It also has 25-liter capacity and comes with overheating protection. According to Cherry Home, this air fryer can reduce fat and oil by up to 80%. With its price of 8,800 pesos, can this air fryer be a great fit in your kitchen? This is Julia of GIZGUIDEPH, and let's see what more the Cherry 8-in-1 air fryer oven has to offer. If you'd like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. This air fryer came in a very huge white box with the image and the name of the air fryer in front. Inside, it has an air fry basket, a baking pan, and an oven rack. We also have the manual guide, which also contains a few recipes for you to try. Lastly, we have the 25-liter Cherry air fryer oven, which weighs 10.55 kilograms and measures 450 by 400 by 375 millimeters. Its body is made of stainless steel with a mix of rubber and plastic on its handle. In front, it has the tempered glass door with guides already written on where or which level you can put your pans depending on what you're going to cook. Above that, we have the light indicator which automatically turns on when the oven is in use. Then we have the knob for cooking modes. Here we have roast, pizza, cookies, warm, bake, broil, and air fry. Next is the temperature, which can be set from 30 up to 230 degrees. Then we have the timer, which can be set up to 60 minutes. Then we have toast, which has levels from light, medium, and dark. Lastly, we have the light button to manually turn off the light. And on the bottom part, you will see the Cherry logo and the pull-out drip tray. At the bottom, there are 4 rubber feet for a better grip. And on both the left and the right sides, as well as on top, there are several vents to avoid overheating. If it's your first time using the air fryer, it is necessary to preheat the oven for 10 minutes at the maximum temperature. Also, make sure to wash and dry all the pans first before using it. Now we're going to cook fish fillet using the 8-in-1 Cherry air fryer oven. First thing I want to do is to put the uncooked food in the right pan. In this case, we're using the air fry basket for our fish fillet. Also, remember to put the baking pan below if you're cooking oily foods to catch the excess oil. Second is we're gonna set the cooking mode, in this case to air fry. Third is to set the desired temperature. For this one, we'll set it to 230 degrees. Lastly is to set the timer, and we opted for 10 minutes. Along with the fish fillet, we also tried cooking fries and tempura using this air fryer. And you know what's amazing with this is not only it can fry, but it can also bake. And that's only 2 out of the 8 cooking modes this air fryer can do. As for the taste, it actually turned out pretty great. And personally, I think it tastes better air fried as compared to the traditional way of frying. Pros and cons. To start off with the pros, with this air fryer, you have the choice to fry your food without the need of cooking oil. And even if you do cook oily foods, this Cherry air fryer oven can reduce fat and oil by up to 80%. And for me, I consider that one step to healthy living. Second, this air fryer has 8 cooking modes, which can really be a help for busy households as it is a few buttons away from cooking different varieties of food. Also, with its 25-liter capacity, it is suitable for large families and homes, and can also save up time on frying or cooking batches of food. For cons, although the air fryer itself is durable looking, the pans included are slightly thin, so we suggest to be extra careful with it. We also noticed that after one use, the baking pan that served as our drip tray had left a few stains that were very hard to remove. The timer also did not make its usual ding sound after use on several occasions. Verdict. Priced at 8,800 pesos, we can say that the Cherry air fryer oven is one of the great options at this price point. With its 8 cooking modes, it proved itself to be a versatile and reliable help in the kitchen. We recommend this air fryer to those with busy schedules, as you can just leave the food to cook while attending to other things. And not only does it save your time, but it can also save space in your kitchen as it can fry, bake, toast, broil, and roast among others. And for an added bonus, this air fryer can reduce your intake of oily and fatty foods. Remember that with this ongoing pandemic, we must be extra careful with not only our surroundings, but also in the food we eat so as to promote a healthier lifestyle. That's it for the 8-in-1 Cherry Air Fryer Oven. Again, this is Julie of GIZGUIDE.com. Stay safe and see you on our next video.